Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Steve. My phone name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, to all viewers, don't be surprised or wonder why this is another account. As what I've said, this is my second backup account and third YouTube account because I have 3 accounts in YouTube. Don't you worry my fellow viewers, kung just in case may mangyari sa dalawa kong YouTube account, ito yung second backup at saka third account lang. Hindi mo na ako nag-proceed sa fourth account kasi baka mahirapan yung features or yung mechanics or details na. By the way, I have some important announcements na. Alam ko nagwa-wonder kayo bakit wala akong video sa aking third YouTube account. Okay. At alin na focus ako sa primary account ko, yung pinaka first account. Actually, na-expose ako sa acronyms or abbreviations. Pero may good news ako, my fellow viewers. I have some good news. Okay. Maraming videos lalabas sa 2026. Iba yung sa year 2027. Aside sa acronyms or abbreviations, ang madadagdagan lang dito sa aking third YouTube account or second backup account is more on enumeration. So, di ba, meron ako acronyms, meron ako enumeration. Abbreviations tsaka acronyms. Ito naman, enumeration, puro enumerate. Yung primary account, walang enumeration. So, para makita yung comparability, may kaibahan. Pero, ang madadagdagan lang, enumeration. Yun lang. Pero yung acronyms or abbreviation na wala doon sa primary account, doon ipapasok. Dito ko ipapasok. So, yun lang. That's it. Bigyan ko kayo example ano ang ALS? Of course, ang Department of Education Public School Teachers, alam nila yan. Ang answer is, ALS stands for Alternative Learning System. I'll repeat. Alternative Learning System. ALS. By the way, this is just only an example. Marami pa yan. Huwag kayong ma-discourage. Marami pang susunod na videos. Tapos, lahat ng aking videos ay paid promotion label. At saka, it's either, dalawang kategory yan. It's either videos or reels. Itong video account na ito ay pwede siya maging, depende sa number of minutes. Kasi may limitations. So, kung more than 3 minutes, videos. Kung 3 minutes below, reels. Depende sa category. Kaya, huwag kayo ma-discourage my fellow viewers. Marami pang videos lalabas. Ang madadagdagan lang dito sa third YouTube account ko is more on enumeration. That's it. Simple as that. Okay? So, thank you for listening in this video. Good afternoon.